Hi brides! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you a new unboxing of Maeven Bridal Box. Open this one yet. I thought it'd be fun to go through it with you, and so let's dive right in. Inside your brown Maeven Bridal Box, you will find their famous white Maeven Bridal Box, and inside here you'll find all the treasures. All right, like always, it's the Let the Adventure Begin XOXO Maeven. It comes with a Maeven card that shows everything that's inside. It has expert advice, the style edition, all about bridesmaid dresses. This one's all about bridesmaid dresses. Inside it looks like we have a bridesmaid dress company that sent their swatches for the top 8 color trends for bridesmaids. And of course you have this month's essentials showing you exactly what is in the box. These are a bit out of order from what I'm seeing, so we'll just go through the box and then we'll see what everything is. Here's a Maeven envelope, and I'm gonna guess it's some jewelry. Yes, it is a gold necklace. It has the round hoop and then the bar that goes through it. So it is adjustable depending on how you wear it. It's perfect for all your outfits, wedding or not. Getting jewelry is always fun, so I always love when they throw in that kind of stuff. Next is a Fiance T-Shirt. It's a white tee, Fiance, and pretty scripted. It has really good printing. Sometimes I see these like Fiance and brides to be T-shirts, and they're like kind of cheap looking. So this one's actually really nice. I like this one. Fiance. Next up, we have a spray, air dry Glotion. It is multi-benefit styling spray. Let's read about this one. It is Matrix Biolage, how do you say that? Air Dry Glotion. It gives your luscious locks a break with this light hold styling spray. Spritz it on damp hair and air dry for a glossy finished look free of frizz. It's paraben free with no mineral oil or artificial colorants. Well, there you go. Perfect hairstyle. Spray some of this on. Next we have, what is this? Looks like another acrylic sign to match all the other awesome goodies that you've been getting. Aw, and it says, I love us. This is a protective backing, so when you're ready you just peel it, and then it's a see-through vinyl acrylic see-through vinyl sign, that's what they say. That is very cute. Honestly, I probably will put this up on one of my shelves for decor. And, of course, it comes with the stand. So the stand, I love us, that will be right behind me, coming up soon. All right, next we have Favorite Memory of the Bride. This is a little packet. It has a stack, so it looks like this is probably something that you can use like at your bridal shower. And inside it has a stack of favorite memories of the bride with a bunch of lines that you can write XOXO, and they could sign their name. That's cute. That could be good for a bachelorette party too. And it has a hair tie, of course, holding it, because Maeven's awesome and they give you all the little extras. And also, let's see. So share your favorite memory of the bride. Funny, sweet, or sentimental. Share a memory of the bride or a time together that you will always remember. That is such a sweet gift that you could give the bride. Have everybody write their favorite memory, and she can cherish those forever. With the cards, they also say how to play. Have the party host and hostess ask everyone to jot down their favorite memory with you. Then guess who wrote each one as they are read out loud. There you go. It could be a little game. This is also a great game to weave in between present openings at your bridal shower or to break your ice at your bachelorette party. We actually did this with a friend at our bachelorette party and kind of got to know all the other girls that way too, which is a lot of fun. This also says too popular for this set of cards. We've got you covered. Download a printable file at this website. So you can also print off more if this is not enough. Doesn't say how many there are, but let me count them really fast. Okay, there's 20 cards. That is a good size for a bachelorette party. If it's your bridal shower, they also send you a free link that you can print off more. So that could be a great bridal shower game as well. Ooh, I'm liking what I'm seeing in this one. There's a strap, so I'm assuming it's like a purse handbag thing. Let me open it really quick. And yes, attached with the strap is a cute little clutch that says Mrs. I love that because you can use that after you get married because you will always be a Mrs. You won't always be a fiance. So having Mrs. stuff is always a plus in my book. And this is actually detachable, so you can put it on and carry it around as a clutch or carry it around just holding it. But that is super cute. It's gray with gold embossing of Mrs. I will definitely be using this. I love that one. Okay, so it looks like there's one more little thing in here, and it is a coupon for bridesmaid dresses. Azazi, I don't know how to say their name. It says try on at home, select try on and return your sample dress for just $10 to $15 each, includes shipping. $10 off your order of $30 or more of any sample dresses. Interesting. So it seems like how it works. Select your samples, 1 to 3 dresses for $10 to $15 each, including samples, shipping. Try on at home. Try your dresses on at your convenience. Mail your samples back using the prepaid labels. Return your dresses within a week and order your gown. Pick your favorite style and have it made to order. Oh, okay, cool. So this looks like you can actually get your wedding dress or your bridesmaid dresses, and if you want to try them on at home, you have a $10 off coupon. So I really like this box. I like that they have the Mrs. clutch that you can use even after. You have the necklace that I lost. You have this really pretty necklace that you can use at any time. And of course the I Love Us sign that I will be using for sure. The favorite memory of the bride I think is really cute. You can use that at your bridal shower or at your bachelorette party. And the Spritz and Spray Glotion. I've never heard of Glotion, but that's pretty cool. I will have to try that out and see about the flyaways and everything. So there's another winner box. They always have the best things. If you want to see more Maeven unboxings, check out all of our videos below and see what Maeven has for you. That's our unboxing for today. We hope to see you on the next one. Subscribe so you know when it's coming, and we'll see you soon.